All right, so in this example, in this set for problems 5 through 8, you need to write a system of equations with line number 1 being this. So it's always going to be this. We're going to need to write a second line, and it's going to give us a scenario for the second line. So that's what number 5 does. It wants line number 2 to be perpendicular. All right, it wants it to be perpendicular, so we got to know what that means, to line number 1, again, to 1/3 x minus 2, and then passing through these 2 points, 5 and -1. So first of all, let's deal with the perpendicular. A perpendicular means we're going to deal with our perpendicular slope. So if we have 1/3 as our slope, to make it perpendicular, we need to do the opposite reciprocal. So the opposite reciprocal of 1/3 turns into -3/1. Okay, so we get the perpendicular slope is going to be -3/1. Now we need to use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, so let's go from there. We know that our slope is going to be -3. So then x minus a number, and then y minus something else. So we're going to get our y1 from our point. So this is y1, and this is x1. So we're going to plug in -1 here, and we're going to plug in 5 there. So we get y plus 1 equals -3 times x minus 5. And now we're going to distribute, so we get -3x plus 15. So we get y plus 1 equals that. So let's move on. We're going to now -1, -1. So we get y equals -3x plus 14. So y equals -3x plus 14 is perpendicular to 1/3 x plus 2. So we've written a perpendicular slope, a line perpendicular to that one.